Yo, if the anime actually made Kaido's legs a bit thicker to match his body more, I'm gonna be really happy. I'm gonna be actually a happy camp. What the fuck is that? Legs! Yo, Kaido's voice actor is digging it, dude. Kaido's voice actor, he loves rolling those R's, man. He loves that shit, dude. He's been doing that a lot more. Have you noticed that? He's been rolling these R's pretty hard. Yes! This man's been rolling them R's and I like it. Hey yo, Young, you're fucked up for that. Yo, Young, fuck you, dude. Hey yo, fuck this nigga Young. I'm tired of this nigga. Yo, ban this motherfucker. Ban this fucker, dude. Ban him. That's some disrespectful shit right there. What the fuck is this, dude? Like, actually, what the fuck is this? Who made this shit? Oh my god, bro. What the fuck am I looking at right now, dude? Now we're good. You want to have the ultimate leg day test right here. The ultimate leg day test. And these are not fucking white people. Hey, can we stop with the Kaido slander? Wait, Kaido has thickness! Wait a minute, Kaido has thickness! Kaido has thickness. Oh. So, okay, it's canon. The anime is officially canon. The anime is officially canon. Like I've been, oh my god, Kaido has fucking leg mass. They're not sticks. They're not fucking sticks. Holy shit! Yeah! Yeah! Anime's canon, confirmed. Undeniable. Proof. Facts. It's all there. It's all there. Black and white. Black and white. Hey, yo, look at those thighs. Wait, what do you mean? What is this? Why you rubbed the Sanji thing? Listen. Listen. Hello? Oh my god. What a glorious day. Stop. Kaido has such thick ass legs. Oh my god. Kaido's legs are so thick that they're actually as thick as Odin's torso or body. Hey, yo. Chat is literally sticking their heads in the sand. At least those that are going against the visual evidence. Kaido has thickness. That's what I'm saying. Oda, we all know. We got word on Twitter that Toei Animation were talking to Oda about various details in this arc. And it looks like they confirmed one of those details. Oda just said, hey yo, by the way guys, real quick, my art style kind of sucks, you know? I can't draw bodies that well. I can barely draw feet. So do me a big fave. Yeah, Julius. Do me a big fave. Make Kaido's legs just a little bit thicker. Make Kaido's legs just a little bit thicker. And you know what? Toei, we've been waiting for that, man. We got you. We got you. And lo and behold, look at that fucking thigh meat. What the fuck, nigga? Shit. I mean, I know it's not Friday, but taste the rainbow. My goodness, look at that thigh meat. Kaido, damn. Yeah, Kaido being thick. About to save this shit real quick. What the fuck? Yeah. 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 Holy shit. I lost. And I'm, no. You know why? Because I have the anime by my side. Not that disgusting crab leg bullshit. Right here. Look at that, my nigga, down. Lies. Okay, they're not twigs. The bottom is still slender as fuck, but the top, thank God. I mean, God. Thank God they put at least some leg mass there. Holy shit. Like, yo, could you imagine Kaido rolling out like fucking Elizabeth O'Neill? Could you imagine, dude? Oh my God. Like, this man was Humpty Dumpty. It was painful. Like, this was so fucking painful, dude. Like, yo, I'm like, what the fuck is this? Kaido came out like Elizabeth O'Neill, dude. Holy shit. In the manga, it's brutal. Holy fuck. Thank God they did that. Thank God. And they're laughing. Or fosh. Yeah.